When I was like 5.
I want to size it.
Yeah, I was gonna go get in the van, but I think I'm gonna wait. I see that. I was watching. Oh, look, that tree just went down. Right on those cars.
Oh, that's not good. You think we're not parking there?
See that?
No, I didn't see it.
The tree just went down on the
No,
car.
I know, I see it, but I didn't see it happen.
That tree just fell on those cars. It just, it just split and fell down on them.
Why? Because you're stuck here with a bunch of girls?
I gotta learn that. How did you?
That's not fair.
I had a limb a little bit bigger than that blow on top of my house yesterday.
Oh yeah, your wife like put something on Facebook and I was like, that's pretty random to put.
I got a bunch of little stuff in my, when I come home, I got stuff on my cords and everything.
You know she's trying to make up a nickname for me now, right?
Yeah, she asked me to.
Yeah. No.
Her nickname is Tank.
No, I'm Chica, I think, for him. John calls me Dummy, and then now she's coming over.
I call you. What do I call you?
Chica. Call me Chica. Or dude. Or a bunch of other things.